The Airbus EC energy-efficient exhaust fan range is the latest market-breaking innovation from Ventair, engineered by experts to combat mold growth, manage condensation and improve indoor air quality. The Airbus EC is designed to operate silently 24/7, eliminating all stale and moist air, pulling fresh air in, and it costs less than $1 a month to run. This exhaust fan is ideal if you have areas where steam and condensation is troublesome or you need to replace stale, humid air. It comes with a sleek and simple wireless wall controller, allowing you to switch the fan into its higher airflow settings, which will run for a while before dropping automatically back into its more energy efficient 24/7 mode. Alternatively, operate the fan manually via a wall switch, knowing the wireless wall controller is available as and when required. This fan is highly versatile, available in 2 sizes to suit a range of domestic bathroom, toilets and laundries, as well as commercial applications. You can choose from several modern fascias, allowing the unit to blend effortlessly into any space. The high-powered fans will maintain high airflow output over duct runs of up to 12 meters and operate in line with the BCA and NCC regulations. Breathe easier with the Ventair Airbus EC 24/7 exhaust fans. To find out more, head over to our website.